Hello, I'm John, co-founder of NoTamperData. Today, I'm excited to present the completion of our Project Catalyst-funded initiative to combat research fraud through blockchain technology. Research fraud, particularly data tampering, undermines scientific integrity and public trust. Researchers need a way to prove their data hasn't been altered after correction. Traditional methods lack immutability and transparency. Google Forms is widely used by researchers worldwide, but it offers no built-in protection against data tampering. NoTamperData solves this by creating cryptographic hashes of form responses and storing them immutably on the Cardano blockchain. Here is how it works. A researcher creates a Google Form and installs our add-on. When a response is submitted or a batch of responses, a SHA-256 hash is automatically generated, and then it's stored on the Cardano blockchain. Anyone can later verify that the data hasn't been tampered with. Importantly, only the hashes leave Google servers, never the actual data. Privacy is built into the core design. Let me show you how simple this is to use. After installing the add-on, researchers simply configure blockchain verification settings on the add-on UI. When a batch of responses, as configured, is submitted, the add-on automatically or manually, depending on configuration, generates a hash and stores it on the Cardano blockchain. Here is how you do it manually. This hash has been stored on the Cardano blockchain. Here is the transaction on Cardano Mainnet. You can see the hash stored in the metadata field of the transaction. To verify data integrity, we simply upload the response data CSV to our verification platform, and this confirms whether the data has been tampered with. We go to the verification page and then upload the CSV of our data. This verifies that data hasn't been tampered with. You can view the transaction hash, the data hash. You can even download and export a verification report. Over the course of the project, we have accomplished a lot. We have successfully developed a production-ready Google Forms add-on, conducted comprehensive user testing with participants from education, research, and development backgrounds. We went through the Google OAuth verification process, built a complete verification web platform, created comprehensive documentation for users and developers, and we engaged with academic communities, including presenting at the University of Oxford. The project is open source with 3 core repositories. We have the Google add-on repository. We have the platform dApp repository, and the smart contract repository. All code is documented and available through the project's GitHub organization. We are actively engaged with research communities through LinkedIn page. We also have engagement through X, or formerly Twitter platform, and also through academic presentations and direct outreach to educators. NoTamperData is now live and ready for researchers to use worldwide. Visit NoTamperData.com to get started, view our documentation, and contribute to the project. Thank you to Project Catalyst and the Cardano community for making this project possible. Together, we are building tools that protect research integrity. Thank you for watching.